If you have an iPhone, there's a powerful app already built in that can help you track your health and fitness, the Health app. In this video, I'll show you how to use it step by step. What is Health app? The Apple Health app is created by Apple Inc. to track your daily activity, steps, sleep, heart rate, and more. How to open Health app. To open the Health app, 1. Unlock your iPhone. 2. Find the Health app icon. 3. Tap to open it. Setting up your profile. When you open the app for the first time, 1. Enter your age, weight, and height. 2. Set your health details. 3. Customize your dashboard. Tracking steps and activity. The Health app tracks your daily steps automatically. You can check steps, walking distance, activity level, tracking sleep. You can also track your sleep. Steps. 1. Go to sleep section. 2. Set your sleep schedule. 3. Monitor your sleep patterns. Adding health data. You can manually add health data like weight, blood pressure, workouts, connect with other apps. The Health app can connect with other fitness apps and devices like smartwatches. The Health app is a powerful tool that helps you stay fit and track your daily health.